Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna show you a seat I bought on Amazon for finishing the project. So I put that at the beginning at the top spot, and I just take the Velcro at the bottom to attach it to the rig. But well, it's not nice, and yeah. So I was trying to find something still cheap but nice, and I found that on Amazon. It's a drifting Kart Seat. I even saw someone that put those in their speedboat for regulation, and the guy said some adult was using them. So they are kind of solid, but not that big. So depend of you. But well, for your kid, it's gonna be okay for sure. So what I did, I bought just that seat, that part, and it was right on the floor, so I was need some height, and I thought about wood and metal, but I want something light and easy to transfer and everything room. So yeah, I found that ID, a milk box, and I just cut that piece in a Rubbermaid back. I put 4 bolts. Those are 6 millimeters diameter and metric, and they are the length around 3 inch for the length, but they are too long, so you're gonna be okay with 2 inch. Depend of the thickness of your washer. So yeah, I put 4 washer, some nuts, and that's pretty much it. The bottom of the seat, it's flat. You can see there. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can see there. It's flat. So I just put it on top, and it's pretty solid then. And I put the Velcro strap there, so I can fix it to the rig, like the top spot, like I did for the top spot. And that's for a child, like I said, but you can test it, and it's pretty solid. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna put the link of the seat at the bottom of the video, just below, and yeah, about it on Amazon. It was 30 bucks Canadian, so probably like not even 20 bucks American. So but it came from China, so it took like 3 weeks, but it was super cheap, and I really like the final result. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to let some comments if you like the setup, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to help the channel. Thanks. Peace.